Hey guys, and welcome back to Chat and Breeze. So today, finally, the day has come. I've been harping on about it enough that this wardrobe is going to say goodbye. I'm getting rid of this wardrobe now, but I need to take it down, and I can't remember how I got, but this is okay. Yeah. We're going to deal with this and do it one stage at a time. I mean, it couldn't have been any harder than putting it up. That's all I'm going to say. So we're going to get there. Anyway, wardrobe is coming down. I'm then going to get rid of it and dispose of it today. And yeah, good times. And then I'm going to bring in all my boxes and stuff with all my t-shirts in. This will be the storage room for it. Maybe that shelf isn't coming out very easily. I have to loosen these. Yeah, that's how it's done. Took me a while to figure it out, but that's how it's done. Not sure really how to do the next stages. Guys, this is hard. Think that did it. That was not easy. Oh, that was not easy. A little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Didn't see that happening, guys. This one little screw right on the left hand corner that will not come out. I feel very proud of myself right now. I shan't lie. Right, I very much appreciate I'm going to get a lot of judgment for this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because there's going to be boxes stacked against these walls, no one's going to see it. So the nicks, I'm going to just quickly touch up with this. The marks right here. Anyway, hoping you saw that. Right, I'm just going to touch them up. Stupid So last run down to the car, taken a few trips. We just have one of the last ones to go, and then sayonara. The closet has served me well, but it is time to say goodbye. So yeah, down to the skip we go, and then I can show you the room as a whole, hopefully, which is looking a lot better. Okay, I'm multitasking today, so I'm sorry. It's like this vlog is going to be here, there and everywhere, but I promise there's logic to the madness. So you'll now see I've got changed because I'm doing some TikToks, so getting that all sorted. But I wanted to show you the room that I've now done. I'm going to just close this door. And I will video one on my TikTok so you guys can see it. Anyway, this is the area that I cleared. So this is going to be where all the boxes are going to be stacked. Let me just, and this, yeah, is my office. Very exciting. I've still got to, I bought this chair, but I need to clean it up. It's secondhand, but the legs were silver before, but I put them to gold, so it just matches everything nicely. The wood, I'm going to polish up myself, and I'm also going to polish up the leather as well, to make it look a little nicer. But this is, and the black mat, if that looks crazy, it's because I was scratching the hell out of the top of my desk, and I didn't want to ruin it. Anyway, that is what the room looks like, and yeah, I'm very, very pleased. I don't know if I showed you guys in another vlog my pictures that I managed to get put up. These two, these are TK Maxx jobbies, I'm in love. And then this one as well, which again, I'm in love. Just a whole lot of love to be given out everywhere. Anyway, as I said, this is what the room looks like. But we're gonna get on for more TikTok vlogs. Oh, vlogs? TikTok things anyway. This is the vlog. Oh God, too many things at one time, guys. Too many things at one time. I promise you that all seems a bit weird, but it does make sense. Follow me on TikTok if you don't, which is just Chatting Breeze. So yeah, give me a shout there. Otherwise, I'm going to also put that piece of footage at the end of this vlog. The only other thing I need to do today is pack, because I'm going to spend some days with my partner. So I just need to get my packing done, which I've kind of already done. I've put stuff aside anyway. And then I am nearly ready to rock and roll, to get out of here and hit the road. I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I've packed, because I have got stuff at his as well. I don't know if anyone else has to do this and just like lives out of bags when they go see their partners, but anyway, I'm taking these shoes with me. I know we're going to go spend some time in Cambridge with his side of the family, and I've got some wedges as well. Then this is just all my makeup stuff. Just got this in. I just take the fundamentals. I don't take everything because I don't need everything. Okay, I stumped myself with this one. I'll have to do that up in a sec. Okay, don't need to see underwear, hairbrush, comb. They're all my face products and stuff. Then I'm just going to take a t-shirt, I think, just pretty simple camel, with a jacket, like a blue, I don't even know what you would call this. Like, let's see. Yeah, kind of like a jackety thing, like this. It's got some ties as well. And then I've got my, I should have just taken my underwear out, that would have been easier. And then I'm just wearing my high-waisted trousers, like them. Yeah, and that's it really. Nothing too fancy is needed for this for a few days. And then I've got some jeans and stuff at his that I can just grab if I need to. But yeah, they're the essentials that I'm going to take with me for the time being. And I'm gonna have to get on the road like now because I think traffic is gonna be super bad. So this is gonna be interesting. I don't know how long I'm gonna be in it for. But anyway, that is not your issue. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if there's anything that you want to see more of. Just pop a comment below. And yeah, subscribe, give me a shout, give me a holler, so I know you're there. All right guys, until next time, peace out, bye.